Okay, for this next video I'm going to tell you how to place the fins accurately 1/3 each way around. Okay, so what I've done is I've made this device. You can use any string, doesn't really matter. It's best if you use smaller string, but what you do is you wrap your string around, get it nice and snug around the bottle, cut off any excess because it just gets annoying, and then take it back off, and you would lay the string out and measure how long it is, divide that by 3, and then that's the increment of say it's every 6 inches. Say this is an 18-inch circumference. It will be every 6 inches you'll make a little black mark. Sorry about that. You make a little black mark, and that's the mark. When you put it over your bottle, you'll find these little black marks. There's no way, oh, you can kind of see it that I've made it. This is literally the only string that I had, so it is better if you have smaller string. But you see a little black mark, take your Sharpie, you go to that mark, and you put a mark on the bottom. Careful not to move the string. Go to your next black mark, make a mark, go to the next one, mark it on the bottom. Then you can take your string off, and you should have 3 accurate black Sharpie marks on your bottle. That is where you're going to put your fin. Now what you do is you take your straight edge, put it on that mark, and you get it as best as you can, preferably if you just lay it on the ground, straight up and down on the bottle, and you're going to make a mark about 3 inches long because that's how long the fin is. Okay? Make this mark, and you do that for all 3. Okay? So after you make that mark, you can take your fin that we made, place it on your bottle, making sure that both ends are centered on that line that you just drew, and taking your Scotch tape and holding it in place. Okay, there you go. It's now being held in place. Just tape all 4 sides. Yes, there are 4 sides because of the little notch. As you can see, you should be able to tape all 4 sides. Don't need to use as much tape as I'm using. It's just easier because I'm only using one hand. There you go. Your first fin is attached. You do that for all 3, and your bottle rocket will have 3 nicely made, evenly spaced fins.